Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to view your Google Maps timeline. So let's get started. First, open your Google Maps on your device. Then, tap on your profile icon, which is on the top right of your screen. Now, to view your timeline, simply tap on Your Timeline. And here you can see your timeline. If you want to see your timeline of some specific day, tap on Today. Then select the day that you want to see your timeline of. And here you can see all the information on where you have been. If you want to see your timeline on map, slide down this menu. And here you can see your timeline on your map. And guys, that was it. This is how you view your timeline of your Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.